Greetings to you all. I'm Mayango Brenda. I'm 26 years old. In 2019, I graduated from Makerere University with a Bachelor of Science in Poultry Industry and Business from April 2019 to August 2020. I worked with Rose Acres Farm in the United States of America from February 2017 to July 2017. I worked with the National Animal Genetic Research Center and Data Bank. In 2016, I worked with Chisache Poultry and Dairy